And it is very science. The topic of our presentation is how to save water at a grassroots level. Already on the board it has been on my laptop screen. Before discussing how to save water at grassroots level, first of all I would like to talk about the scarcity of water in Pakistan. What are the impacts of scarcity of water in Pakistan? These are the following scarcity of water in Pakistan. Number one, water pollution. If I have talked about the water pollution, so Pakistan is agro-basin as well as an industrial state. There is also agriculture in Pakistan as well as industries. So when they use water, the wastage of water is directly thrown into the seas or into the rivers. The first reason is that it contaminates the fresh water. Although we know that throughout the world there is only 1%, only 90.97% fresh water in the world throughout the world. But we have to talk about Pakistan. So there is a lot of scarcity in Pakistan of the fresh water because of the industrial and because of the agriculture. The second reason is lack of storage capacity. Whenever we talk about the storage, it means we are talking about dams. There is no proper dam in Pakistan, and there is no other alternative way as well in Pakistan to save water at a grassroots level. According to the treaty, Industrial Water Treaty in 1960, before this, Pakistan storage capacity was 6% cubic per capita. But in present, the current situation is 1017 meter per capita, cubic meter per capita. It means this is almost 10 times lesser than that of the 1960. But after the treaty, now Pakistan cannot store that much water because of the important rivers that were from the Kashmir areas, as River Ravi, Sutlej, and another one is Chenab. After that, according to the survey of IMF, International Monetary Fund, Pakistan in 2025 that the same action that they don't take any action against this scarcity or planning or management of water. Pakistan will face a huge famine of water. Every person in this city and this Pakistan in this country will face the famine of water because of the mismanagement as well because of the lack of storage of water. So at present there is only 1017 people, but according to my own research, I was done it just 15 days ago. This is now even less than 1070 cubic meter per capita. It's now less than, I think it's 999. So it is very less. And the shortage of overall world average is 40%. But in Pakistan it is just only 20%. It means 30% is less than the actual average of the world. The third is ineffective management. As I already told you that there is mismanagement in the country to store water. So this is also one of the big reasons and big cause of the shortage of water. There are the following some points in this ineffective management. The one is we have no that much management to save water in our day. 70 billion dollar. The price of that much amount of water we lost it because of we have no proper dams and no we have no proper management. And these water just go through into the river. We can take economical benefit from it, but we have not that much facilities to store this water. Further, there is no proper system to stop water evaporation. For the evaporation as well, there is no proper system because of the mismanagement. The third is 13% of the cultivable land is being saline. Again, there is no proper system of canal and as well the system of underground water to save this water. After then, I have the fourth reason is rapid population. This is also one of the biggest reasons of the water scarcity in Pakistan. And if you focus on population, the population of Pakistan is being 2.3% per year, which means that this is going on. That in 2025, again I will tell you that again the famine of water will occur because of the population as well. At the same sequence, the population is going on. Also, the aids and the management are giving information that please be focused on your population, and they give us awareness about the population, how we have to stop it and make a healthy environment of Pakistan and to send the storage of water. The big reason there is not only Pakistan involved in it, but throughout the world is involved in this. This is a climate change. But if you focus on Pakistan has, according to yesterday's topics, we will talk about the traffic. So because of traffic, there is other pollution, and the pollution also makes water polluted, and because of that the fresh water is just decreasing from that point which is required for this country, for the people of this country of Pakistan. Climate change, global warming. The global warming is also one of the reasons which make the climate change, and because of this, the fresh water is decreasing day by day. Why? Because the glacial waters are just melt and goes down into the river. We have no proper depths of this water which are coming from the melting of the glacier. Another point is flood-like situation and frequent seasonal tropical storms have been increasing the threat in the coastal area of severe flooding. As well, we know that when there is too much rain at the start of the year, then at the end there must be flooding, and there is no again proper management to control this flooding system. Now I am coming. The main way to overcome this scarcity of Pakistan or have to store the water at grassroots level. And this, first of all, we have to. This is the urgent measurement of Pakistan to do it as soon as possible. The strict implementation of the national policy in 2021. According to the national policy of water, it should be implemented as soon as possible to save this water and to make this command of water which are coming, which we have to face in 2025. The second is government should inform national action plan. It means the government also have to make seminars everywhere in the universities or in the rest of the rural areas, because there are not that much universities in the rural areas and people are not that much concerned with the education. So if they are just concerned with the farming or with the agriculture, these should be awareness, and there should be a proper seminar in the areas where there is no education properly. This is the third point. The fourth is in order to conserve water cultivation and efficient crop should be increased. Okay. Another point is that we should not have to cultivate their crops which are not beneficial for the country as much as those crops which are beneficial if they used to have a less amount of water. For example, in Pakistan there is much more crop rice, but rice use much more water than wheat. If we have to focus on product of wheat, then I think really in the daily routine we are not eating that much rice as in India or in Bangladesh, but we are focusing on wheat. So we should have to focus on wheat instead of rice, on the cultivation of wheat instead of rice. The other is there should be a proper irrigation system. Our irrigation system is also better. There is no canal management system. The important storage of water which is coming from the upper areas or through the rivers and to our agricultural areas, the canals are damaged. So the water should just go inside to the underground water and then mix up with that. Also this contains contaminated because of which 2.5% of Pakistan population per year are dead. It means 2 million of the people of Pakistan is going per year die because of the contaminated water. There are some pathogens which are concerned with the death disease. This was my presentation, and anyone have any questions?